How's it going, everybody? This is Tom with Outside Our Lane. A little dark right now, but we fixed to turn some lights on. We have just arrived in Gulf Shores for the week. It is Friday evening right now, and we're gonna fish till next Friday. So we got 8 days or 7 days and one night. Anyway, we're headed out to the Little Lagoon Pier right now, one of my favorite places to fish down here. I'm gonna meet up with Junior Bocall, one of my good friends. He's been down here for the last week. He's done pretty good out here today. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get set up and see what we can't do. Y'all stick with us. One of my happy places. Just walked up here and Junior's already got one on. This makes me excited. It's a white. That's what I'm talking about. Or is that a rat red?
Rat red.
That's a rat red.
Like the opposite end. So like when you go down.
That's promising. Last time we done this time of night, we started catching rat reds and they started turning into keepers.
All the way down there where the bridge is, where they fish the bridge.
Awesome.
There you go.
All right. And what's her name?
He's not me, so he got.
Cashley.
Cashley?
Yep. A little croaker.
Croaker.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's the size they like using for giant trout bait right there.
You want them?
No, it'll be Sunday morning probably before we fish. Serious. On some line? Oh no. It's got a big head. It's still coming to you, isn't it? I mean, it's getting closer. It ain't a hard head, is it? You sure? Are you positive it's a hard head?
I can see his whiskers.
Oh, it's not a Selcat? Just, you ain't got a choice but just to lean back on it and do whatever it does. Might put your pole straight or you don't. Did it come off? Well, it was exciting for me anyway. Corey's caught a croaker. He's a keeper. I mean, he's not huge, but he's keeper size. Ellie! Sharon got a stingray. Which are delicious, by the way.
Never had it.
Southern stingray. They're actually rather yummy.
Some kind of Boy Scout. Boy Scout. Calculations.
They will get you with that barb though. He's got his barb hung in the neck. It's a good time to get the hook out.
It's the barb on the tail, right?
Yep. Put your foot right there. Cool fish.
They just stuck on the bottom?
Yeah. That's a good size to eat.
Cootie critter. Well, not a cootie critter, but a cootie critter.
Yeah, stingray.